Hi, this is Craig Stocks, and I'm here with a tip to help PiMagic work its very best. There's a setting in WBPP that you may or may not currently be using, and that's the Autocrop setting. It's on the Lights tab, and you can find it right here under Image Integration, and you want to have that checked and turned on. Now, historically, I have not used Autocrop, but when you're using an automated workflow like PiMagic, it does have some real benefits, and I can demonstrate that for you with some data that I have right here. So this is from the NGC 1333, which is kind of a combination emission and dark nebula down here in the lower part of this image. This image on the right was processed without Autocrop. The one on the left, I did apply Autocrop. And you don't see it very clearly, but you can see a little bit of a dark edge here and down on the lower right-hand side, and then also a little bit on the bottom left and at the upper left. What that is areas where from one image set to the next, the frames didn't line up just exactly. So there's a little bit of misalignment between the frames. That's not really much of a problem until it comes to running gradient correction or Graxpert, because it will see those dark areas. And for instance, if we apply Graxpert to the non-auto-cropped version, it's going to try to correct that dark stripe and wind up creating a bright glare or a bright light gradient around it. And it obviously just doesn't look right. So you might see this and think, oh my gosh, something's wrong. And the problem is just in the nature of the way gradient correction work. It's trying to create a gradient to counteract that black stripe. Now, if we apply the same Graxpert to the Autocrop version, the Autocrop version is ever so slightly smaller, and Autocrop has taken out any of those areas where the images don't completely overlap, so you don't have any of those edge artifacts. And as you can see, that solves the problem. So when you're running WBPP with the intent of running those master lights through PiMagic Studio, you want to be sure to have Autocrop turned on so that you don't wind up with these kinds of artifacts caused by gradient correction. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day.